In front of me is Huawei Nova Y70, and let me show you how to clear credentials. First of all, open your settings, then find and select Security and click on More Settings. Then pick Encryption and Credentials, and finally click on Delete all credentials. Confirm that you would like to do it, and just enter your screen lock password. And that's it. As you can see, credential storage is erased. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.